Click on the Entry Category drop-down menu. Select an entry category of your choice. Click Direct Applicant if you are a Form 6 graduate, or click Equivalent if you are a diploma graduate. Select a type of application you wish to apply for. Choose your citizenship. Select where you completed your O-level secondary education. Enter a valid email address. Enter your phone number starting with 0. Enter your Form 4 index number correctly. Do not put a dot after a letter S. Make sure to write all 4 digits as they appear on your certificate. Use a / symbol instead of a dash symbol to separate every 4 digits. Include a 4-digit number of the year you completed your O-level studies. Click Next to proceed. Your names will automatically be filled in the registration form. Verify if all the details are correct, then click Register. You will be provided with a username and password. Copy your username and password on a sheet. Navigate to Login button. Click Login. Enter your username and password. Click Login. You will be provided with a control number for application fee payment. Pay using bank or cellular agents, then log in to continue. Go for other options if the entries are incorrect. Otherwise, click Next to proceed. An applicant with more than one Form 4 index numbers should add and save them here, then click Next to proceed. Enter your Form 6 index number. Do not put a dot after letter S. Write all 4 digits separated by a /. Remember to write the year you completed your O-level studies in 4 digits. Enter the year you completed your O-level studies. Choose Tanzania and wait for your results to display. Your names, school name, and grades will be automatically filled. Click Save. Click Next to continue. Fill in your basic information with correct details. Choose who will pay for your university expenses. Select Private if you will be sponsored by a parent or guardian. Fill in the region you were born. Write your national identification number. Click Next to proceed. Add other information. Provide details about your close person that can be easily contacted when needed. Applicants with no postal addresses can write the names of the streets, ward, or village they come from. Click Next to proceed. View and verify the grades you obtained for each subject. Navigate to a second page to view the rest of the details. Click Confirm to proceed. Select programs of your choice. Degree applicants have a maximum number of 5 choices, while diploma applicants have only 3 choices and 2 choices are available for certificate applicants. Click to choose a program. Choose a program that meets the minimum entry requirements. Click Save to add your choice. You can either click Next to proceed with your application or add another program. Click Save to add a second choice. You will not be able to choose a program that is either beyond or out of your qualifications. You will not be able to save a program if you do not meet its minimum entry requirements. Click Next to proceed. You are advised to preview the details you provided before submitting your application. Click Agree if everything is okay, then click Submit to send your application. Congratulations! You are advised to visit your account and our website for regular updates on your selection status. Click Preview to review your application details. Click Print to download your application details.